So, you've just generated a great track on Suno. It feels just right to your ears, and it's ready to be heard. But then comes the hardest part, finding something to show on screen. Let's face it, modern audiences expect visual engagement, but unless you have a massive budget for a professional animation studio or a full camera crew, a traditional music video just isn't an option. That is where BeatViz AI steps in. Unlike generic video generators, BeatViz acts as a dedicated video tool built specifically for your music. It actually analyzes your track's rhythm and lyrics to make the scenery react directly to the sound. And today, I'm going to walk you through the complete process, step by step, and show you how to turn an original Suno song into a professional-looking AI music video. Let's jump in. We're starting over in Suno AI to create our foundation track. For this walkthrough, I already have a specific visual concept in mind. A liminal space music video loosely inspired by the Backrooms movie. To match that atmosphere, I'm creating a rhythmic alternative art pop track with layered female vocals at around 100 BPM. I'm in Suno's custom mode. Since we want the video to tell a structured story, I'll let the AI write lyrics about hollow hallways, cold lighting, and shadows reflecting on glass. Let's hear the result.
The floor makes a paper sound under shoes that never settle. Cold bulbs on the ceiling stare down like they know.
That is exactly the atmosphere we need. Not chaotic. You can hear that clean, dry percussion and the sharp piano notes. So I'm gonna click on the 3 dots and download this one in WAV format. Now, let's head over to BeatViz AI. We're at the homepage, and you'll notice there are 3 production paths in the BeatViz suite: the chat interface, the editor, and the workflow. Today, we are going to use the workflow mode to build our visual story step by step, which is also the best mode for fast music video creation with lower credit usage. Let's click the Add Music button in the center. Look at this. In addition to uploading the audio file, BeatViz is designed to import your songs directly from Suno. You can simply copy your Suno song page URL, paste it here, and import the track without downloading anything first. Honestly, that's probably the easier option. But since we already downloaded our song in WAV format, I'm just going to upload the audio file manually. The track loads instantly. Now, we select the exact portion of the song we want to visualize. I'm grabbing the 1-minute section starting around the chorus. Let's hit confirm. Now, look at the settings panel at the bottom. Under content mode, we can choose between storytelling, singing, dancing, and abstract. Since I'm going for a visually focused video, I'm selecting storytelling mode. Next, inside the settings, I'm going to stay with standard generation and select quality mode for a more high-end production look. For resolution, we'll set it to 1080p, and we'll keep the aspect ratio at 16:9 widescreen. Now, let's go to preset to configure our character and style. I do need a character, so let's click on that. I'm going to click Create Character with AI and describe our lead actress. A young woman, minimalist dark clothing, neutral deadpan expression, sharp features, sleek black hair. Hit Generate. She looks terrific. But for this, with so much happening around, maybe we should go for short hair. I don't want to imagine long hair morphing. Here we go. Just like in my dreams. Let's confirm and save it. Man, I really do wish if we could directly create a 3-view sheet for this character as well for reference. In my experience, AI music videos often tend to change character faces, and a multi-view sheet will really help us to lock this in. So, I'm gonna try a little something here. Let's go to Create Character again, and upload the same character portrait image that we just created. And then for the prompt, I'm gonna ask for the same character, but as a 3-view character sheet. Oh, it worked! Here she is, now in full body presented with front, side, and back views. Let's save her and select. Next, for the style, we have many presets categorized by emotion, vibe, and attitude. From the recommended combinations, I'm going to select dark and moody with realistic, authentic visuals. And I'm going to type here to describe my idea for the music video visuals. It's just a backroom-inspired visual concept. A woman through some bizarre corridors. Honestly, it's a bit complex liminal space stuff, so I'm interested to see how this turns out. We're all good to go now. Let's hit generate video. Look at that! BeatViz analyzes our music track, looks at the BPM, and gives us 3 creative directions for the video. All 3 seem to fit in well with the visual idea, so I'm going to go with option B here, liminal pulse. Now we are presented with the scene flow page. BeatViz has mapped out the entire narrative of our song, breaking it down into precise 8-second scenes. Look at how it describes the scenes. Vast empty rooms, long shadows. If you want, you can edit any of these descriptions, but I love this story flow, so let's hit confirm and continue. Now BeatViz is generating our storyboard. These frames are beautiful, high contrast, deep shadows, and clean clinical lines. Because we went with minimalist architecture, the AI has kept the visual style completely uniform across all segments. The segment 7 has somehow come up similarly to our design sheet, so I'm gonna hit the regenerate button on that one. Okay, it's much better now for sure. Although I'm a little worried about how this will be animated because the walls look a bit chaotic now. Let's give the green light and animate them. I'll click generate all video segments at the bottom. Alright, our video clips are generated. Let's check them out.
The floor makes a paper sound. The shoes that never settle cold.
You can see that our character stays consistent in almost every scene throughout, and the motion is quite clean, and the cuts and transitions are aligned with the beats, and I don't see any morphing or warping of visuals. So yes, they look pretty good as standalone clips. But I do feel like it would look a bit disjointed when we merge the clips. From here, you can regenerate any clip you don't like, or you can apply lip sync to any of the video clips as well. Lip syncing isn't necessary for our project, but just for the demo's sake here, let's try applying lip sync to the 3rd and 4th segments here.
The hall keeps stretching like it wants to keep me lonely. Every frame on the wall feels
Yes, lip sync isn't flawless, but works reasonably well. Now I'll click confirm and compose video to merge everything into our final output.
The floor makes a paper sound. The shoes that never settle cold. Bulbs on the ceiling stare down like they know me. Your name on the frosted door, half gone in the morning, and the hall keeps stretching like it wants to keep me lonely. Every frame on the wall feels one step too far. Every breath in my chest hits back like a jar. Hollow hallways, hollow hallways. I keep walking through the cold. Hollow hallways. Shadows lean on every pane. Shadows lean on every pane.
The result is actually much better than I expected. Fortunately, every cut and camera pan matches the rhythmic pace of our Suno song, and BeatViz has managed to keep the atmosphere and the tone of the visuals perfectly consistent, so the final sequence doesn't feel disjointed. It is not flawless by any means, but the surreal idea of the concept also helps the imperfections to feel natural. As I mentioned, this was a complex visual idea to keep together for a long duration, and I'm actually impressed by how composed it looks overall. Once you are happy with your edit, just hit the button here to download the video. In about 10 minutes, we went from a blank slate in Suno to a high-end, surrealist music video. And with a BeatViz subscription, you get commercial rights for the visuals, and the final output is ready to be monetized on YouTube. The gap between an independent music creator and a polished visual release is getting much smaller. The direct integration between Suno and BeatViz makes the workflow almost frictionless. If you have Suno tracks sitting in your library, stop letting them collect dust as static uploads. Grab your files, bring them over to BeatViz, and let the AI build the visuals your music deserves. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'm breaking down new AI music tools every single week to see what actually works, and you don't want to miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and go create something amazing.